the last thing before we start working on our game over is we simply want to make our game a bit more aesthetic. So let's add a background. So let's create a special class. We'll name it background. Its superclass will be a sprite. Then let's also create another class which will be star. Its superclass is a sprite. And we again get the error that we can't find the sprite class, so just import that. Like so. Now what we'll do with the star is we're going to add an event listener. Don't forget to import the event class, like so. And what we're just going to do is we are going to create a variable x speed. Let's just keep it a number actually. And let's move it. So we'll first say that its initial x is 550, and we're just using y is math random times 500 times 400, and let's move it. So we'll say x minus that x speed, and let's put this actually in a function called position. So that if the x has passed the stage, we just say to go back and again position itself. Alright, now let's go to our background and we'll just do this. Let's just say we spawn 30. So we'll have star, which is a star. Let's go to our game and add that background. So we'll have it like so. We'll spawn that background or create it. Let's just see if that works. Wait, we have a error, namely, sorry, it's x. Great, that seems to work. So let's those stars seem to work. And let's just check if they keep on moving, if we're going to make them move a lot faster. So let's say we're setting that to 20. Great, so they do seem to keep on moving, and let's just create a much larger number instead of 30. Let's take this out of the loop and we'll make it a variable. So then we can go to our game class and we just tell it to I don't know, 200. And you know what, let's also do the spacing then, which will be 50. So let's also go here, plus spacing, which again will be something like so. Incorrect number of arguments. Let's go back. Sorry, need to save the game class. Let's see how that looks like. Oh yeah, I forgot about the move speed, so let's go back to our star class, change that back to what, half I think we had. But they all spawn at the same X, so let's see what's going on still. Let's see if we go to our Flash document, to our menus, start menu. Oh, all of these little stars are attached. You know what? Let's just select them all, and then you go just to modify break apart, which is the easiest solution for now that they won't move in the menu. Alright. Okay, now let's just go back to our star class. Let's just create it, set it to 2. Let's go back to our background, remove that trace. Yeah, that seems about right. The last thing, however, is that we want the background to be a background, so being at the back. So let's still change this to add child at, and then we add a 0. And now it works. Okay, so that's our background class. Now still, let's create a function which will clean up when our background is done. So let's create an array, star array, and we'll push each star inside that star array. So, and then we will have a public function cleanup, which will go through every item in the array. So we just do star array length, and what we'll do is we're going to remove that that star object. So we're going to say remove child star array I, and we're going to make that star array I null. Oh no, wait. We're going to tell that one to clean up as well, and after it's gone through that whole loop, then we're going to say the star array is null itself. Now let's go to our star class. Let's create a public function cleanup, which simply is going to remove that event listener. Like so. At least now our complete gameplay works, but we still need to clean up when there's a game over. So that's the only thing we need to do, which we will do in a bit.